Hello all, welcome back to my channel Delhi Tarot, and as promised this is the entry to Lord Shani Saturn Temple, which is there in Maharashtra, and I have specially visited this place for my own happiness and seeking his blessings. And this is the entry, and I'll keep on shooting the video further as well, and I'm about to enter and I will see who all are with me in seeking his blessings. And this is the place wherein you remove your shoes, your slippers, and you might hear a lot of noises around because I am in a great crowd. And here is the entry. We will be moving inside the temple. So yes, it's a heavy rush time now. And that's my son Vedant going. Vedant, say hello. Hello. We are moving inside the temple. And I'll try to record as much as I can for all of you. The weather is extremely pleasant, and this is for the first time that it's so pleasant that I have visited. But I have visited many times earlier also. Roughly every year I visit the temple, but this time I thought of covering it for all of you. And I can see that this is a new route. And there is some construction going on in the past or in the earlier route, and now this new route is well maintained. And seems to be a long one. My son moving along with my husband. And we are about to cover this passage in a short while. As we cross the passage, we are now entering the main temple, way to my dear Lord Shani. And before that, all of us has to wash our feet in the water, and then we have to proceed forward. You can see a picture. And I'm so happy that it's not at all crowded, and the weather is unbelievable for me. I have never visited this place in such pleasant weather and such less crowd. And now the routes are getting divided. For male there is a separate lane, and for female there is a separate lane. And we are entering the main premises now, and I'll try to record as much as it is possible and permissible for me to record. You can see how beautiful everything is. Look at the premises, so well maintained, so beautiful. I think they are remaking everything. A lot of construction work is going around, and now I am entering the area where there is going to be little crowd from now. And now we are about to reach the main place. I'll try to show you from this place also. Look at the place. And I am in the main lane now, and I'm so happy. Ram, 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 Ram. Jai Shani Dev. And my child is always speaking wherever he is around with us. You can see the crowd. And here is the main temple. And as a ritual, we are about to pour some oil in the feet of Lord Shani. You can see so many people doing the same ritual. And we are also about to do the same. You can see so many people doing the ritual here. It's very auspicious. Whenever you are coming to Shani Singapore, just ensure that you are pouring some oil as a ritual here. That is called prasadam for Lord Shani. I'll try to cover from some far. Now if you can see that Lord Shani idol, the one with garlands, I've tried to zoom the video, but I'll try to record it from little near as well for you people. That's the board. Now it's clear. Now it's very auspicious to seek the blessings of Lord Shani like this. The original idol in India, in Maharashtra, the place called Shani Shingnapur. And look at the queue, people are still pouring the oil, and again back to the idol. My son and my husband, they are in queue to devote the oil to Lord Shani. And let me record it once again for you from little height. Now it's clear, absolutely clear. Yes. That's Lord Shani. You can also take a picture of this idol and you can paste it on your mobile, always as a picture of original Lord Shani along with Lord Hanuman. Look at them, both of them. That's a beautiful and a very clear picture. Amazing. That's the original picture. Look at the way how people are pouring the oil. And I can see my son also in the queue, the little one. Now this is going to be a quick short video for all of you to have original darshan of Lord Shani, Lord Hanuman at Shani Shingnapur. Look at the beauty. Look at the original idol. And that's my promise to you. Worship the original idol of Lord Shani and see how your karma are balanced in your life. Not just this life, or all your past life karma. See how people are devoted here. It's the original place in Maharashtra, which is known as Shani Shingnapur. And that's a long queue if you can see. And my child is also, hello, in the queue. And soon it's going to be the turn of my son Vedant. That's a very auspicious movement because this is for the first time we are able to pour the oil on the idol itself. Otherwise this is completely barricaded once you come here because of huge rush. But This is a lovely season. They are waiting for their turn, and now it is allowed. It's very auspicious to see. For the first time, we are able to do that. I'm so happy and blessed that they are able to do it by themselves. That's once in a lifetime of opportunity that we are able to pour it directly on Lord Shani. That's wonderful. I'm spending some moments here because when you are experiencing this, it also balances your karma. You may visit this video again and again because this is the original idol, the most popular one in India, in Maharashtra, in village Shani Shignapur. And now their turn is over and more people are in the queue, you can see. And you can also see near the idol, you have the feet like this. And this you have roughly in all the temples in India. But this is very special. You can see the idol from here now. Again back to the feet. And now walking away from the idol, there is also the Havan Kund. Look at the place. Look at the place. You give flowers here and the incense. And now this is the exit. And slowly and steadily you can move out from this place. But it's important to spend some moments there, the way I have spent moments of blessings with all of you. And this is the exit. Still going on, but at every place you will find the donation counter in case you want to donate money, Indian money, because at many places it is mentioned that please avoid foreign currency. So it is mentioned that if you want to donate, you donate in Indian currency, that is INR. Here also another donation counter. And soon you will see there is prasad for sale in case you want to carry it for your family, your friends. So this place is called the Barfi Prasad Sale. And finally, this is the last exit point. And I'm moving out along with all of you. And that's the exit. I hope all of you have enjoyed today the blessings and the real live video of Lord Shani. The whole video is being shooted by myself. And I'm not going to edit it because I want to see you as it is, the way I have recorded. And do let me know how you found this live coverage today. And I'll try that whichever holy place I'll visit, I will be able to record some for you. Be blessed. And yes, I wanted to shoot this new construction for you people. This is called Graha, 9 planets. This is still under construction, but they are allowing people to see, visit, feel and touch. And this is in middle Lord Shani again. and then there are 9 mounts like this, if you can see. The idols will be placed in each and every tomb. If you can see, I'll try to rotate this for you. This is for 9 planets. This is still under construction. And this is at the exit point. This is 3rd, and this is 4th, and this is 5th, and this is 6th, and that is 7th, and that's the 8th one, and the 9th is going to be the tallest one. People are taking photographs, so I'll try to still cover it for you. And here it is. Finally, in 9 planets, Lord Saturn, Lord Shani, Shani Dev.